Hello everyone. Here we are discussing regarding the entrance test examination subjects. The subjects are divided into the three parts. One is high yield subjects, moderate yield subjects, and low yield subjects. The number of days and the percentage of the questions asked according to the subject will be discussed by my colleagues. Now, in this second paper with subjects, you can see the number of MCQs asked in the last 3 years in a various entrance test examinations with the percentage of questions asked during the last 3 entrance test examinations. Now my colleagues will tell regarding high yield, moderate yield and low yield subjects. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Let's start with the high yield subjects. First subject is pharmacology. You can give 2.5 days for this subject for the revision. Number of questions asked from the pharmacology subject is 8.3%. From PSM, the same number of questions asked means 8.3%. You can give 3 days for the PSM for the revision. For pediatrics, you can give 2 days for the revision, and number of questions asked in entrance examinations are 5.4%. Now in forensic medicine, you can give only half day for the revision, and the number of questions are asked from the forensic medicine subject are 3.3%. Now in ops gynae subject, last year subject, 2.5 days are enough for the revision, and number of questions are asked from the ops gynae are the 7.8%. Now from ophthalmology, you can give 1.5 days for the revision, and 4.2% of questions are asked from the ophthalmology subject. These all are the high yield subjects. You need to give around 12 days for the revision of these subjects, and number of questions are asked highest from these subjects means 37.3% of questions are asked from these subjects. You need to give 30% time for the revision from your total time of revision. Now, moderate yield subjects will be taken by my colleague. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now, moderate yield subjects. Moderate yield subjects. Example, physiology. Physiology, you need to give 1.5 day for the revision, and number of questions are asked from the 4.9% from the physiology entrance examinations. Now, biochemistry is a subject with 1.5 days of revision, and the number of questions are asked from the biochemistry are 4.2%. Now, the subject is radiology. 1 day is enough for the radiology revision. The number of questions are asked from the radiology subject are 3.1%. Now, subject psychiatry requires 0.5 day for the revision of the subject, and number of questions are asked from the psychiatry are 3.1%. Now, orthopedic is a subject which requires 1.5 day for the revision, and number of questions are asked from the orthopedic are 4%. Microbiology is a subject which requires 2 days of revision, and the number of questions are asked from microbiology are 5.2%. Means you require total 8 days for the moderate yield subjects and 20% of time of your total revision time. And number of questions are asked from moderate yield subjects are 24.5%. So you can give second priority after the high yield subjects for the revision for these moderate yield subjects. Now, low yield subjects will be taken by my colleague. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now we are going towards the low yield subjects. Low yield subjects includes anesthesia, which requires only 1 day for the revision, and the number of questions asked from the anesthesia 2.5%. ENT is a subject requires the 1.5 day for the revision, and the number of questions are asked from ENT are 3%. Pathology is a subject requires 3 days of revision, and number of questions are asked from pathology are 5.7%. Dermatology is a subject which requires 1 day for the revision. A number of questions are asked from the dermatology are 2%. Anatomy is a subject which requires 3.5 days for the revision, and a number of questions are asked from the anatomy are 4%. Surgery is such a subject which requires 4 days of the revision. A number of questions are asked from the surgery is 6.6%. Now, low yield subjects requires 14 days for the revision, which is 35% of the total revision timing for the entrance test examination revision. A number of questions are asked from the low yield subjects are 23.8%. So you need to go for these subjects after the high yield and moderate yield subjects. Thank you. Now further tips will be given by my colleagues.
Hello everyone. This is the king subject of the all subject medicine. Medicine will require 6 days of the revision and 15% of timing of the total revision timing. And number of questions are asked from the medicine subject are 14.6%. So this is the king subject of all subjects regarding the entrance test examination MCQs. Now further tips will be given by my colleagues.
Hello everyone. Now you understand the high yield subjects will require the maximum priority, moderate yield subjects require the second number of priority, and the low yield subject requires the third number of priority. So go accordingly. And the medicine subject is, as you all know, it is the king of all subjects and it is the king of entrance test examination MCQs. And maximum MCQs will come from the medicine subject, and it will require the maximum timing for the revision. Now further tips will be given by my colleague. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now what you learn from this analysis by my colleagues. 1. Part A. Part A suggests that high yielding subjects plus moderate yielding subjects plus medicine is equal to 76.3% of questions from 100% questions of entrance test examination, and it will require the 65% timing for the revision from your 100% timing for revision for the entrance test examination. So the time spent in these segments is worth your effort. So go first for this part A. Now part B includes low yielding subjects. Low yielding subjects are going with the 23.8% of questions from the 100% questions of the entrance test examination. And it will require 35% of time for your revision from your entrance test examination revision timing 100%. So you will spend minimum time for these less questions in comparison of the part A. Interpretation is, so focus and revise part A means category A subjects more. Spend less time on the category B subjects and revise them as quickly as possible. Okay, thank you. For further tips, my colleagues are coming. Hello everyone. Let's consider the king subject medicine versus high yielding subjects. King subject medicine is equal to 14.6% of questions and 15% of timing, and high yielding subjects equal to 37.3% questions and 30% timing. Means 2 times time spent on high yield subjects, you gain 2.6 times questions in comparison to the medicine. So the medicine is always king subject for the entrance test examination. Interpretation is high yield subjects are even more profitable than king subject medicine. Note, subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, pharmacology, and ophthalmology are most volatile subjects as per general consensus. So revise them over and over, as these are the subjects which will give you an extra edge in your final exam. Thank you. For further tips, my colleague will come. Thank you for hearing my all colleagues peacefully. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel Medico World as early as possible. Look at these are the high yield subjects, moderate yield subjects, low yield subjects, and preparation accordingly planning will give you great success in your entrance examinations. Go for first high yield subjects, then moderate yield subjects, and low yield subjects. And medicine is always king subject for the all entrance test examination. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe again our channel.